Hello, and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll be exploring why Yoast SEO might not detect content on your Divi 5 pages and how you can fix it. If you've noticed Yoast reporting little or no content on pages built with Divi 5, even though the pages clearly have plenty of text, it's because Divi 5 uses a new content format that Yoast doesn't yet fully recognize. As of now, Yoast's SEO and readability analysis tools aren't able to process the text within Divi 5 modules. While we wait for official compatibility from Yoast or Elegant Themes, there's an easy workaround to help Yoast understand your Divi 5 content. We'll introduce a free plugin that bridges the gap and restores accurate content detection and analysis. Let's dive in. To address the issue of Yoast SEO not detecting content in Divi 5, we've developed a free plugin called the Yoast SEO Divi 5 Compatibility plugin. This plugin enables Yoast SEO to read the text within Divi 5 modules, restoring its ability to perform accurate SEO and readability checks. You can easily download the plugin from the link provided in the accompanying post. Once installed, it seamlessly integrates with your workflow to ensure Yoast functions as expected. In the next steps, I'll guide you through how to install and start using it effectively. To get started, download the plugin and upload it to your WordPress site. From there, activate it just like you would with any other plugin through the Plugins screen in your WordPress dashboard. Once it's activated, the plugin takes care of everything automatically in the background. There's no need to adjust any settings. It's ready to work right away. Once the plugin is installed and activated, open a page built with Divi 5 and check the Yoast SEO analysis or readability analysis. You should now see that Yoast is correctly retrieving the page content. A good way to confirm it's working is by looking at the text length in the SEO analysis. It should now match the actual amount of content on your page, rather than showing as empty or significantly lower than expected. With this step, Yoast's analysis tools should be back to functioning properly on your Divi 5 pages. Another useful feature you can test is the highlighting functionality in Yoast SEO. This allows you to see exactly where any SEO or readability issues are located directly on your Divi 5 pages. To try it out, click on the eye or highlight icon for one of the report items in Yoast SEO. This will open your page in a new tab with the corresponding text highlighted in the rendered Divi 5 page. It's a great way to make Yoast's feedback more actionable, just like it would be on a non-Divi page. Until Yoast SEO or Divi introduces official support for Divi 5 content analysis, the Yoast SEO Divi 5 compatibility plugin provides a simple and effective solution. It restores key features like content detection and highlighting, allowing Yoast to function correctly with your Divi 5 pages. If you have any questions about the plugin or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. We're here to help.